Hey everyone, this is Bondo, and I'm a 50-something Gen Xer that grew up in the golden age of Schwinn Stingrays, BMX bikes, and banana seats. Back in the 70s and 80s, riding bikes was everything. We ruled the streets as though they were our own racetrack. I remember the wind in my face, the sun on my back, and the feeling that my bike was my ticket to anywhere. It was the 80s, and we didn't need a plan. We'd race down the block, skid out on gravel just for fun, and pop wheelies. We built ramps out of whatever we could find, rode through sprinklers in the summer, and explored every alley and shortcut in the neighborhood. That bike was freedom. Fast forward to today, and meet the ride that brings it all back, with a serious upgrade. This is the Ford Mustang e-bike. Yeah, that Mustang.
The original Mustang.
It's got the soul of a muscle car and the heart of a thoroughbred. With a 750-watt motor pushing 1 full horsepower, this beast can hit 28 miles per hour with pedal assist. And trust me, it feels like you're riding a Mustang. Check out these iconic Mustang taillights and the full-color display with telemetry graphics. It's like having a dashboard between your handlebars. With 4 power modes, Eco, Normal, Sport, and Track, you can cruise up to 60 miles on a single charge. And those Pirelli tires, smooth and grippy. The dual suspension, it eats up bumps like candy. And when it's time to stop, the 4-piston hydraulic brakes with 203mm rotors gives you serious control. This isn't just a bike, it's a street-tuned machine. You know, it's not about the tech or the speed. It's more about connecting with that kid that used to ride for hours. No destination in mind, just the thrill of the ride. This Mustang e-bike brings all of that back. The freedom, the fun, the feeling that anything is possible when you're on 2 wheels. The Ford Mustang e-bike, it's not just a ride, it's a revival.